friends, today I'm gonna show you one specific test that is called as performance monitor test. Okay, so on our ship, one specific equipment is called the radar. So we do the radar, this performance monitor test for radar. So we get the efficiency of radar. Okay, so I'll show you what is this test and how it is carried out. So friend, this is our radar equipment, S-band radar. This is GRC model. So for doing the test, first we will go to the main menu. You can see here main menu. Go to the main menu. Then we have the different sub menu. In that we will go to test menu. Okay, and then test menu we have a lot of options. Here one option is monitor display. You can see the monitor display. So we will click the monitor display. Okay, now you can see as soon as you click the monitor display, this radar screen will go to 24 miles range. Okay, and it will show you the it will show you the pattern. Okay, and also here you can see, here it is written monitor test, means radar is doing the performance test. Now we will see the performance. So here you can see the transmitter system, attenuation value, and receiver system attenuation value. Okay, so as per the manufacturer instruction, you can see this data in the manual. Okay, so we have to compare this value with the manufacturer given value. So as per the manufacturer value, this transmitter system and the receiver system attenuation value should not be more than -7 dB. Okay, if it is -7 dB, that means our efficiency of radar is gone down. Okay, so we have to change the magnetron. Basically this radar is fitted with one magnetron. Okay, so that magnetron need to change after some time depending upon the running hours. Okay, so it is given in the manual. So if the magnetron is exceeding that running hours, then we have to change the magnetron. Okay, so in that case you can see the value is also within the limit. It is -0.9 and it is 1.9, so it is well within the limit. So our system is okay. And second thing is running hours. So for running hours we can see running hours is also 4841. Okay, so as per our manufacturer instructions, running hours should not be more than 5000. So friends, that's it. This is the test. So basically we have passed the test. Thank you. If you really like the video, please like the video, comment and share and subscribe also. So it will motivate me to make more and more videos. So friends, take care. Bye bye.